Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update the BIOS in an AsRock based PC. First of all, you need to open the system information. From the system information we can find what is the processor that is used in our machine and what is the current BIOS version, that is 4.10 in my case. And you can also see the motherboard name and motherboard model number here, so you can get this information from here. Then once you get the information, open up the browser and you can type the motherboard name with the model number. You need to be very careful with the model number. There are multiple models in the same B450. So if you are using B450M, you have to provide appropriately. Once you have open the official page from the browser, you need to see this is the correct model, and then you can go scroll down and there will be a support option. Support, once you click on support, there will be an option for everything, download BIOS. So BIOS, once you click on the BIOS, it will display the list of versions that they released for AsRock B450 board. So this is the latest version 5. It is released in 2021 May 20, and you can see what are all the things that they updated with this version in the description field. So currently we have version 4.10. So basically we need to read from the 4.10 what are all the updates that made. So in some cases, some CPUs it is not recommended to update the BIOS, so you need to be very careful. So currently if you see Pinnacle, Raven or Summit Ridge CPU on your system, it is not recommended to update, so we need to be very careful with that. So if you don't know the code name of your processor, in my case it is 3500, we need to click on CPU support list and we need to search the processor number 3500. You will get the code name in the Matisse. It is a code name is Matisse in my case. So I will go back and ensure that this is supported for Matisse or not. As of now it is not mentioned. Pinnacle, Raven or Summit Ridge is only mentioned. So I can go ahead and see the instant flash. So instant flash, this opens up a new page and it shows how to update the BIOS here, that we will be seeing further. If you go back to the version, you can download the version 5, the global version. I don't know what is the Chinese version. Mostly we download the global version, and once the file is downloaded, go and copy paste the file somewhere, and you can extract the file. Click on extract here and you can extract the file, and you need to have a pen drive to copy this file. Before that, you need to format the pen drive in FAT32 file system. Since I have a pen drive which is more than 32 gigabytes, I cannot format with FAT32, but still exFAT also is working. So once you have formatted your pen drive, you can go and copy paste the file. Okay, this file we need to copy paste to the pen drive. Okay, once you have copy pasted the file, the next is you need to enter into the Uefi mode. You can either shut down or you can reboot from there, or you can use this tool that is provided by AsRock. You just need to enable these two buttons to enter into Uefi and reboot the system immediately. So once it is rebooted, we will enter into BIOS menu. Okay, now my system is showing the BIOS menu. Now main OCT advanced, then our instant flash should be in the tool menu. So in the tool menu you can see the instant flash. Once you click on it, it will display the files that are available in the pen drive, and you can ensure that the version, and you can proceed with the update. So confirm that, and the update will happen now. So there should not be any power failure. There should not be any power failure during this process. Please ensure that you have a backup before doing this, and programming is success, and you click on OK. This computer will reboot to the Windows again. Once it is rebooted to Windows again, we can again open the system information and ensure that our new version is installed. As you can see in the BIOS version, it is version P5.00. That's all guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support me.